Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to create auto captions for TikTok in CapCut. So if you want to generate some free and good looking captions that will be also accurate, so the moment a person says a word it immediately appears on the screen, they're very precise. If you want to do this, just follow my steps. So I'm going to be doing this on the CapCut PC application desktop. So just go ahead and choose your video and drag it onto the timeline as so. Then guys, if you want to generate CapCuts, not CapCuts, captions for your video, for your entire video, just select the entire track, okay? Video track. Then we have the panel right here on the top left. Then in here, press on captions. And this is going to be our magic button. All right, so in here, you can choose spoken language. In my case, the video is indeed in English. If you want other language, just select it. I don't recommend using auto select because it's going to be much slower. Not much slower, but it's going to take more time to generate them. Then if you want to choose a certain template of what they will look like, as you can see, there are multiple here. I'll just choose this first one, okay? Just press on that
Seen
little...
what the data is on border crossing?
Just press on that little download button. There you go. And now, guys, we can just generate captions. Press on generate. Okay, so now it's going to generate the captions. Unfortunately, as far as I'm concerned, it will be uploading the captions to the cloud and then generating them like that. But anyway, it works, so who cares, right? So just wait for this to process and let us see what's going to be present in our result at the end. Okay, so almost done. 97. All right, after it's generated, let me just actually mute the track so it's not interfering with our video. Okay, now it's here. As you can see, we have these little captions placed on every single place where there's some kind of voice being spoken. So I'm just going to turn this off, go to the very beginning of the video, and now take a look. As you can see, as the person is talking, we have these beautifully looking captions that look really good. I really like these. And after that, you can just export the video, press export, choose where you want to export it to, say on your desktop or something, choose quality, and then press export. All right, let me actually export this. Let me see. Should be taking no time at all. All right, export is finished. Let's view the file. Okay, this is just my VLC player. And now, as you can see, it works perfectly fine. As you can see, there are the captions. If you want to place them on a different spot on your video, you can just place them maybe a little bit more at the bottom. You can do that. You can do that, but in general, everything works. That's it, guys. Enjoy, like and subscribe as always, and thanks for watching.